Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this sweater for the little bear I made in previous video. I used Alize Diva Silky Effect North Sea color yarn. It is 1 yarn weight, super light. I also used 2.5mm crochet hook. Let's get started. Chain 7. Now make 1 half double crochet into each chain. Start in second chain from the hook. So, in other words, make 6 half double crochets. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now work in back loops only. Make 1 half double crochet into each stitch in back loops only. So 6 half double crochets all together in this row. Yes, and continue along in this manner until you reach 20 rows. So 20 rows all together. I will meet you when I finish. Line up the stitches of the two ends of the work with any side facing. Chain 1 and insert your hook into first single crochet under both loops. Then insert your hook under both loops of the bottom part of the fabric. Yarn over and single crochet and repeat across. So under both loops of 2 stitches. Now we have uneven edge, as you can see. We need to work a round of single crochet. You should have 31 single crochet in this round. Now work 2 single crochet into first row, 1 single crochet in second row, 2 single crochet in first, 1 in second. Continue all around. One stitch, 2 stitches, 1 stitch, 2 stitches. Place the marker at the end of this round. In second round you should make 1 single crochet into each stitch, so again 31 stitches at the end of this round. In second round, make 1 single crochet into next 5 stitches. Now chain 9. Skip 5 stitches, 5 single crochets, skip, and single crochet into 6th stitch. So skip 5 and make 1 single crochet into 6th stitch. And now make 9 single crochet. So altogether that will be 10 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now again chain 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, skip 5 stitches and single crochet into 6 stitch, single crochet, yes, and now make 1 single crochet into last 5 stitches, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Replace my marker. I like to use piece of yarn if I work in small hook. So that is our second round. Now we will start round 4. Make 1 single crochet into each stitch and make 9 single crochet into chain 9 space. As 9 single crochets into chain 9 space. And continue 1 single crochet into each stitch. Do not forget about this little stitch, the first one. Be careful, do not skip that stitch. So 1 single crochet into each stitch, and again 9 single crochet into chain 9 space. You should have 39 stitches at the end of this round. In next 2 rounds, round 5 and 6, make just 1 single crochet into each stitch, so 39 stitches altogether in the next 2 rounds. In round 7 we will increase a bit, make 1 single crochet into next 3 stitches and then make 2 single crochet into next stitch. And continue 1 single crochet into next 3 stitches, 2 single crochet into next stitch. You should have 48 stitches at the end of this round. At the end of this round, make just 3 single crochets, so 1 single crochet into each stitch. So do not decrease. And now in next 12 rounds, make just 1 single crochet into each stitch. So you should have 48 stitches at the end of each next 12 rounds. In round 20 we will decrease, so make 1 single crochet into next 3 stitches. And 1 decrease. And continue all around. At the end of the round you should have just 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And in the last 3 rounds we will work in the back loops only and make 1 single crochet into each stitch in back loops only. Continue all around for next 3 rounds. Make 2 slip stitch and cut the yarn. Now we will make a sleeve. So normally we should have 5 stitches this side and 9 stitches this side, so altogether it is 14 stitches, but we will work also on these 4 stitches, so we will have 18 stitches altogether because we need wider sleeves. Insert your hook into back side of the sweater. Chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into same stitch, and now make 1 single crochet into next stitch, make 1 single crochet into each stitch across, so you should have 18 stitches at the end of this round. So basically repeat 1 single crochet into each stitch for next 10 rounds, and just make 1 single crochet into next stitch when you finish the round. Do not chain. And for the last 3 rounds, make 1 single crochet into each stitch, but back loop only. So again, last 3 rounds, back loop only, 18 stitches. And make 2 slip stitch, cut the yarn, wave ends in. So now we will embroider our hearts. We'll follow this diagram. We'll start here and then move this way, as you can see on the diagram. Now pass the needle from the top left corner to the bottom right corner, like this, and then from the top right corner to the bottom left corner, like this. Make a knot at the end of this yarn, and then top left corner to right to bottom right corner, as I said, and top right corner to the bottom left corner. And continue, follow the diagram. So as you can see, my heart looks so I am not good in embroidery, so each stitch I repeat one more time from top right corner to bottom left corner, every stitch, one by one, top right to down to bottom left. As you can see, it looks much better now. And that's the sweater done. If you enjoyed the video, thumb up and leave the comment. Have a nice day. Bye!